This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. 2-bedroom, 2-bath brick home on approximately 1.36 acre lot in rural area. Home is built with an open floor plan and has hardwood floors. Living room has built-ins. Kitchen has quartz countertops and backsplash and a center island with breakfast bar. The laundry area has overhead cabinets for storage. Primary bedroom has a walk-in closet. Primary bath has a walk-in shower. Home has a large covered rocking chair front porch, which is a great place for relaxing. There is a side-load attached double garage, a detached double garage and a detached double carport. The driveway is concrete and there is lots of concrete for extra parking if needed. The detached garage is wired, has built-in shelving and has a lean-to on the rear. The home is heated with a heat pump, but there is also a whole house generator for use in case of power outages. There is an extra septic tank and water hookup where there was formerly a mobile home to the rear of the home. For more information,